Gochengera Rituko Ri'Abasubati likonekiwa kira riposiriko chikagero chokonekiwa tariki 5 cy'umutyenyoiga igo rituko rya rero ebiombe AOAO by'Abasubati nabo igo bari bakwegerera obwene bw'Abasubati byekirania rituko ime ye University ya KISII bagokwana hase EBIOMBE commissioner bwe county ya KISII bakorobono motendri w'ebiombe byo Stella Achoki abo igo mokonyi wo commissioner bwe Ense ya KISII South Grace Ouma chingaki choko bose chingaki choko chakya etaro yabo go chase University ya KISII niko bono baereire ebitambokero babekire kwenekia kurwania amakongo hari akonyora Abasubati nabo igo kwenekia Abasubati kubwateranirwa bare ase amabaga y'Oborayi elyo goikirania Ri'Chiko muri kitopetu machini niwarenga sayo robotiro ya senchero bwikirana chinga kense Engima ya Gochengera Rituko ry'abakungu me county ya KISII nige ebiombe AOAO byokwegerera obwene bw'Abasubati kubwaterana n'omukonyi bw'omu commissioner bw'Ense ya KISII South bara ku Gochengera Rituko awa na mutendri w'ebiombe byo Stella Achoki nigaire igoro yekirenge kenekyo mwako yiga asomono w'Kenyamorero give to gain ile kwenekya abakungu ngwikirania bale amange asamagimabo.
Leo ni siku kubwa ya kusherekea wakina mama katika nchi yetu, na leo tulisema ya kwamba tunataka kumark hii theme ya give to gain hapa katika kaunti yetu, ambayo tutaangazia zaidi juu ya hii theme kwamba we need to give our time, we need to give our resources, we need to use our influence for purposes of ensuring that our women are gaining in our county.
Asense meae umukonyi w'umukomishona Grace Ouma niko areire mirobere serikali yabekire asoko bakonya Abasubati nonya neribagari yabo asisiasa.
So we have a lot to celebrate. We have the State Department affirmative action on gender and affirmative action, trying to propagate gender issues on women. We have the National Government Equality Commission, and we have the Constitution. Article 27, Sub-Article 8 talks about not more than 2/3 of one gender appointments or in elective positions. So we must say, even as we remember this day, we also look back and see the strides. If you see today, even the political, women in elective position, I think it is at 23.7, though it is still very low, and that is why we are marking this day to remind ourselves, look at what are the barriers that have made us be where we are today. But we also appreciate that steps have been made. You look at the bottom-up economic transformation model, it is very key on women, trying to ensure that empowerment is real, even for the women.
Baigo Stella Achoki nigo atebiremna nigo koganikoraro asaba kongo kubwateraniwa aso gwikirania mangana asa magimabo.
Year in year out we have to mark this day kwa sababu women continue experiencing challenges, kama kuna gender based violence bado iko, kuna femicide, kuna defilement ya watoto wasichana, kuna teen pregnancies. So vile tunaendelea kuongea, tunazidi kupiga sauti kwamba hizi vitu ziweze kupungua na wakina mama wapewe nguvu ili na wao waweze kutoka katika level ya poverty. So tukiangalia tunaona ya kwamba kuna baadhi ya wamama ambao wametoka nje na wanaweza zungumza, wanaweza jisimamia, wanaweza enda shule. Hata transition ya wasichana imekuwa kubwa. They can transit from primary to secondary school level. So there are some levels of milestones ambazo tumetengenezwa, but we need to do more so that we achieve the targets.
Nabono okuganingoraro asamara 2030 usira Abasubati.
Even the Vision 2030, our blueprint, has I think it is also very strong on women empowerment. So we celebrate this day, but we also remind ourselves where we have come from and where we are and why we are not where we want to be. In fact, Vision 2030 foresees women at better places politically, economically and socially. So we wait to get there. I know we are on the MTP4, but we still have time to do more.
Reporter ya Ense TV kure county ya KISII Chepethuel Machin.